Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I'm glad to say I release the new update is version 3, which include some new features after getting feedback from many users. This new feature I will try to summarize now, and later I explain each tool one by one. Here we can now add the date, and we can select the color of the WBS and activity. And if you want to delete all the bars, I add this button. It will help you delete it fast and redraw the Gantt chart. And we have here some new small and fast functions, which is a fill down, upper, lower, proper case, and trim. So let's see the tool from the beginning. The first function here is coloring WBS. To do it very simple, just copy all the activity from here, including the WBS, and go to A1, Control V, and just click color using WBS. It will color the WBS as per the level. The second function here is the grouping, which will be very helpful if you have a huge project and you need to group and collapse and expand as per the level. To do this, just click grouping and you will find direct here level, but notice it's up to 8 level only. As you can see, it will work very smooth and it's the same level in the Primavera. The third function is draw Gantt chart, and we add new update for it. When you click, you have some options. First, you need to draw it monthly or weekly. Second, what is the color for WBS bar? I will select, for example, this one, and the color for activity will be green. Okay. Did I need to add a date at the beginning and the end of the bar? Easy, and I can select the format of date I need to add. Like here is only March 22 or 1 March 22 or 1 March, but in number format. So I will select this one for example, then draw chart. I will select this column, the start, okay, and select the finish, okay, and you will get all the activity with the bar chart. Very nice and very smooth. What if you decide to change the format and the color? It was very difficult before to select or to remove, but now I add new button delete all the bars. Just select it and all the bar will delete it, and then draw again, select another color, and if you want to select another date format, draw, select start and finish, and it get done. The third part here, which include many function, or I call it fast tool. Sometimes I need to fill down the gaps between the cells. For example, if I copy this one, the activity, here, and I need to fill down this gap with the WBS. So what I have to do is select this area and fill down. It will fill down the cells till first cell. What if I need to fill down all of this? Easy. Can copy this one, and select fill down. It will work very smooth. The next tool is the uppercase, lowercase, and proper case. From it, it's clear. Here, if you select, you will get message, please select a specific area. Because if I select all the column, it will try to make all the letters capital, even all of those. So it will take too long time to process. But if I select this one like this and upper K, it will take second only. If I need it to be lower, okay, it will be lower. If I needed prop, that means each letter will be a capital. Also, you can do it. What if you need to trim? Did you remember the trim before? If I need to trim this one, I have to make insert, write this formula, trim. For example, this one like this, and drag it down. But now I can do it just one clip, but make sure you select the specific area and then trim, OK, and it will get done. How to replace this copy with the old copy if you already installed it? First, go to add-in from option, add-in, go, and make sure the old one not activated. If it's checked, so please remove the check, and then from here save as, change as type to Excel add-in, select more option and replace the old one, save. But make sure you don't have another Excel file which running the tool. Now, if we close this one, and we will open new one, option, add-in, Excel add-in, and then activate this one, OK, enable content, and you will get the update. Let's close the Excel now and open again. You will find the tool already activated each time you create the file. And you know also how to activate it if it not work. Please, if you have any advice or suggestion to improve this tool, please contact me. Here is my email and this is my website, including all of my contact data. Thanks for your watching.